locked down and fed up.
By closing non-essential retail, they've created a financial catastrophe.
Today, a plea to Ontario's premier to end the lockdown.
Public safety is critical, but retail, non-essential retail and retail in general was not the problem.
Nearly 50 retailers signed an open letter, including execs from the Bay, Canadian Tire, IKEA, and Roots. They argue the lockdown hasn't reduced the number of people shopping, but funneled them into fewer spaces, including stores outside the lockdown zones. The CEO of Aldo shoe chain says the government tried to strike a balance, but got it wrong.
We really believe that with capacity restrictions, we can keep people safe.
The letter asked the Premier to open all retail in Ontario with a 25% capacity limit on non-essential retail. But the Premier didn't budge.
I'd put my business hat on, I'd switch those things open in a heartbeat, but I can't.
Ontario's Minister of Health says it's about limiting potential contacts.
If people are going from shop to shop and so on, it's just more opportunities for the virus to be transmitted.
The stores themselves aren't necessarily a problem.
And if you're able to ensure that people are keeping their distance and they're wearing masks and adhering to all of the different public health measures, there's nothing, I don't think, inherently risky about these small retail shops.
But keeping them closed gives people fewer reasons to go out.
Don't want people to be leaving their houses unless it's for essential reasons.
If that's the government's goal, then they should just close down highways and impose curfews.
He wants all retailers to have a chance to survive safely. Jacqueline Hansen, CBC News, Toronto.